going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And also, those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And cryptos are doing exactly what we thought they would be doing right now. We know that we have futures that expire. So guys, please make sure you're doing your research. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. And once you've taken the time to do research on crypto, stock market, you see how manipulated it is. Only thing you have to do is learn to read the indicators and follow the money, and you will make plenty of money. Remember what I teach you. Now, guys, make sure you are definitely paying attention to the indicators this weekend. Of course, volume, tether, USDC. And what's interesting with USDC, Circle raised $440 million. And we know that Goldman Sachs runs Circle. So why they would need to raise money, I have no idea. But like Brian Brooks stated, that the USDC was the global stable coin. If it's not the global stable coin, it's definitely going to help blueprint it. Now, guys, we know we are the only game in town. Now, what's special about this weekend, of course, a holiday weekend. So that Monday, if we go and look at what the Fed did, remember, make sure you're paying attention to the actual app. That's part of the indicators. They did over $400 billion on Friday, and that lasts 4 days. So definitely, guys, they're going to want to put some of that money to work on Monday. But we have CME opens on Tuesday. So I definitely see us moving up a little on Monday and then pulling back again on Tuesday. But stable coins are going to let us know which way that we're going. They always do. Right now, we're getting a good pullback. We saw Bitcoin drop down to about 30,000. We saw Ethereum drop down to about 1,700 in the middle of the month. Hopefully we can see that again, so therefore we can buy that bottom again, because we know when open interest happens, guys, we move right back up. So guys, I'm just letting you know, you're not going to always find the perfect bottom, and you're not going to always sell at the perfect top. But over the next 10 to 12 days, if you take advantage of the swing, especially if you're a trader, there is a lot of money to be made in a short period of time. Now, guys, do not forget also we have Grayscale. Remember, they've had that Bitcoin trust locked up. Also, the lockup period ends anyway, late June, early July. So please do not keep your eyes off of Grayscale. and then also the assets. It is so important. Now, guys, getting over into the actual crypto news, we have SingularityNet, of course, Phase II does the hard fork, so therefore Cardano is compatible, so AGIX. I know I've seen a lot of people on my Patreon asking why I was going down. Of course, if you shut down volume, the price is going to drop. That's the reason why I kept everybody up to date in my Patreon, guys. So make sure that you are reading those articles I'm putting out there. It's very important. Now we have VanEck is launching 2 crypto ETNs, exchange traded notes. So we see abroad, guys, they're launching ETFs in Canada, ETNs, ETPs. And guys, we see, but this is nothing but a way to bet on the actual price, to open the casino up, the same products they have in the legacy market. Now, we definitely see they're trying to push an ETF in the United States, but we know how important regulation is going to be for that ETF to be successful. Because if you want a piece of that pension fund, it has to have some regulation. Not going to allow it. You're talking about trillions of dollars, guys. So definitely we see over in Europe, though, they're allowing a lot. We see Canada has several ETFs already. But if we look at the price of crypto, everything has went down since they started the ETF. Now, also, we have Sweden moving forward in a CBDC trial. So, guys, we see the central bank digital currencies globally talking about trials. So we know where this is headed. We know that we're moving over to the 4th Industrial Revolution, robots, algorithms. We know China is going to lead us there. United States is following behind on purpose. Remember, United States is the last free nation. The rise of the dragon and the fall of Babylon. And lastly, guys, we have Coinbase sees growing interest in its prime brokerage biz from multi-strat hedge funds. And guys, what do we know the hedge fund guys come in to do? That's right, take your money. And remember, everything that's going on into the legacy market is going to happen over in cryptos on blockchain. But remember, you're going to have an algorithm. And don't get me wrong, stock market is already controlled by an algorithm. But when you look at cryptos and we see the manipulation going on this side, it's really going to be 10 times worse. But we know in school they don't teach finances for a reason. We know the masses are not going to care. They're going to be getting airdrop free money. They have already been programmed over this past year to accept this free money. But with this money here, guys, we know there's a price to pay. But those who have taken advantage of the C word to get themselves educated, they get a chance to take advantage of the greatest transfer of wealth in history. Like Jerome Powell stated, I worry about the ones that are going to get left behind, because the 4th Industrial Revolution is definitely coming. Because when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. Do not forget, you have your Cobalt, chip stocks, banking, gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks is C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.